My name is Mara Baker. I'm an Associate Professor of Art here at the College of DuPage, primarily in the areas of sculpture and drawing. My artistic practice is interdisciplinary or involves multiple mediums including fiber processes, painting, light, video, and site-specific installation. Since 2018, I have been working on a series entitled the Chameleon Blind Window Project. The project collaborates with chambers of commerce, local government, property owners, and realtors to site light installations in underused and temporarily vacant window spaces throughout the city. Designed to be visible 24 hours a day, the installations transform each night as dusk falls, spilling light and color into the street and onto passing pedestrians. Each installation is made up of interchangeable panels that are a hybrid between a weaving and a painting that have small LED lights woven into the surface. I build out the work in my studio and then install based on the specifics of each vacant space. The panels are meant to be modular in that they are interchangeable, and when an installation comes down in one window space, it can pop up in another window space seamlessly. I started this body of work as a result of walks throughout my own neighborhood. I noticed the vacant window spaces and was initially just inspired by them as an interesting site for new work. The first installation was in the Corner Project space in my own neighborhood of Avondale in February of 2018. This was a traditional gallery space, and the curator, Lynn Bassa, was very willing to let me take over her window space for a couple of months. And my focus in that installation was on creating a work that directly responded to the other storefront windows on the block, which was full of vibrant LED lights and very graphic signs. I was also thinking about the long, dark, gray winters that really affect me, and I know affect others. I wanted the work to bring light and color to a normally dark time of the year. And I love that people can experience this work on their daily commutes and in their daily lives. Oftentimes when we're commuting to and from work in February, it is very dark and dreary, and I wanted to offer a counterpoint to that long, gray commute. I was really inspired by my experience at the Corner Project space and decided to seek out vacant window spaces that did not have any affiliation with art. This led to a year of building relationships with community members and business owners who have direct access to the vacant spaces, applying for grants, and essentially creating a new structure for showing work as a public-private partnership. In all of the installations I have installed this year, the spaces are in transition, waiting to be rented, and my work is meant to fit in that space of transition, providing new opportunities to engage with contemporary art. As this project has continued to grow, I have been thinking a lot about light throughout the seasons. So for instance, in my installation Chameleon Blind Westtown, which was installed this May, I used light reflecting filament that changed with the direction of the sun over the course of the long summer days in the windows. For installations that are installed in the dead of winter, with shorter days, the light at night becomes more important and prominent, such as in the piece Chameleon Blind Uptown, which was installed this January. Despite the pandemic, I've been able to continue this work as it is visible from the street, so the public can still see it if they would like to, as they do not have to go inside. Currently, there are 3 Chameleon Blind pieces installed in different neighborhoods throughout the city, in Westtown, Uptown, and Six Corners. And I encourage you to take a drive out to the city and see it if you can, and you can find information about that on my website. I have also been working away in my studio, which I'm in currently, on a new body of paintings and drawings that involve natural dyes that I am creating from plants that I find here in the city. I'm really excited about this new work as it is a completely different direction. You can see one of the new paintings here on the back wall, and I look forward to continuing this work into 2021.